Hey guys, I've got this bottle washer here from Momcozy, and I'm just going ahead and filling up the water reservoir right now. This thing is really nice and we use it every single day, sometimes multiple times a day. It's great for washing the bottles, the baby accessories. This bottle washer automatically washes, sterilizes, and dries baby bottles, pump parts, baby tableware, and more, saving you precious time to spend with your family. It's got 26 powerful spray jets for thorough cleaning. No single stained spot will be missed, as 12 directional spray jets in 4 sets brush the interior of each bottle, while 10 swirling spray jets cleanse the surface. Pop in your baby bottles as well as your wearable pump parts. Momcozy Bottle Washer has a dual layered design that holds up to 4 bottles from most major brands and other baby items at a time. And here's the detergent tablets that go in there. We just put them in a little container and you just slide it right through there. It's a piece of cake. And it's got 9 cleaning modes on this thing too, so you can freely combine the 4 modes: rapid wash, normal wash, sterilize, and dry, and storage, and customize your settings. If you're in a rush, you can opt for a quick wash mode, which efficiently cleans your bottles in just 19 minutes. It creates a safe and hygienic feeding environment for your baby's health. It's got sterile and odorless storage. Keep bottles dry and clean in the washer for up to 72 hours after washing. The airflow is purified by a medical-grade H13 HEPA filter, removing 99.9% of airborne particles. One of the convenient features of this is that you just fill up the water reservoir and then the drainage from the wash cycle goes right into the sink. So you can set it right on your countertop and have it drain right into your sink, so there's no special plumbing involved.
Yep, and it'll fill up.
We use this thing all the time. I'm very happy with it. Thanks for watching, everybody.